Hello and welcome to the channel. Today is Saturday, July 25th, and we are going to harvest our Flaming Fury yellow peaches. He's got a beautiful color to him. I was going to let him go a few more days, but I think it's time to get him off now for the deer have a fit here and bust down the fence. Now these aren't perfect, but they are pretty nice. There's got some nice ones in here. That's nice and firm. That's how I like them. They shouldn't be soft on the outside. I didn't realize there was this many peaches on the tree. These got a little damage on them here. That's one spot. We gotta get around in here. Oh, there's a bunch over here. I gotta bring the basket over and over there on that side. I didn't realize there was that many peaches on the tree. Oh, that's no good. Look at that. There's one that didn't get sprayed. That's what happens if you miss a peach. All right, well, I'm gonna flip around here and get on the other side of the tree. Thanks for watching. We're in a garden out here.